What up YouTube, it's Mamalona OBS back at again with another video. In this video, this is gonna be an unboxing video, maybe a how-to as well. I don't know yet, but basically you guys, I got the COWL hood on the OBS already. It's the 2-inch COWL hood. Got it from Summit Racing. It honestly took a while to get here, like no cap. Maybe I had placed the order since May, I believe. And yeah, man, these are back ordered. But I have yet to remove the bubble wrapping. But other than that, it looks good, you guys. I don't think there's any nicks or dings on it. Cross my fingers, there's not. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the COWL hood right quick. That's how it looks. So when I have it out the box and already unwrapped, I'll show you guys how that looks. Put the brightness higher, you guys. Alright, so I already took it out the packaging. There's nigga, go get the fucking dog out. Alright, so there's no really hard there's no like too much damage to it. Okay, so like right here is like that's a scratch, bro. I don't know how that happened, but that's scratched up. Scratched up right here too. Like I guess like the primer basically. The front looks cool. The actual hood, like the COWL, isn't fucked up too bad. Well, not fucked up at all. There is this though. It's like a little bent. It is scratched. See? If it can focus. If it can focus. See? Look. It's like kind of bent out. Nothing major. I hope it still closes. But the only thing that really bothers me is that shit, bro. 'Cause that's bare metal right there. You know, the frame, the shit could get rusted, so I really don't know. But other than that, like the actual hood, like the COWL is cool. I seen a couple of unboxing videos on YouTube, and it's supposed to come with like some type of foam, like kind of like that black thing right there, like some type of like foam, like some type of spongy foam, and it goes all right here basically to protect it. That didn't come with it. It just came with, well, as you guys seen earlier, just the bubble wrap itself. But I don't know how that got scratched, but you know, I'm really not gonna complain because it could have been worse. But for the price I got it for, the price I got it for was before the prices that it is now. Basically, that makes sense. Basically what I'm trying to say is I think right now they're like a little over 600 bucks. I got mine when it was barely like 4 something. So, you know, but I am gonna try to see if I could try to fix that problem right there. Like, cause that's bare metal, bro, and I really don't want the shit to get rusted. So I'll get back to you guys when I put it on the truck. Alright, you guys, so I waited till the sun went down. It was pretty hot. So basically, okay, so basically there's gonna be two bolts. There's I'll show you guys where the other one is at. I already went ahead and took up the first ones. It's gonna be that one. The size I don't have the exact size, you guys. I'm using oh, I do have the size. I'm using a size 13 socket. I'm using a whoa. Okay, I'm using a size 13 socket. I'm using the Milwaukee power ratchet. Comes in handy. But I'm using the socket that has the teeth all around. I believe this is a metric. Or I don't know, bro, but that's what I'm using. Reason why I'm using just this socket for now is because, you know, I still gotta fix my sockets in my toolbox. I might make a toolbox a video. Anyways, so where that hole is at, I know you guys can see it. There's one right there, and then where that black pad is at, there's another one on the bottom. Same thing on both sides. I'm gonna get close to one side if I can show you guys. Hold on. Also, it's kind of hard because I gotta fix my hood latch. See, like it won't stay up. I gotta hold it. I already ordered a new pair on eBay, but I didn't think I was gonna be getting myself sooner. So right there. Total, two. So it's gonna be the ones on this side, the ones on that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them, and I'll get back to you guys.
Fuck no, I was scared of shit.
That's why you're on my fucking YouTube channel. All right. So basically, once you guys remove these bolts right here, you see, there's one right here,
You're supposed to say welcome
and then there's another one over here. I already said it, bro.
No, you didn't. Oh, he's nervous.
You're gonna get one of these ones.
One of these ones?
This socket. Fuck on guard, I can't see shit.
Here,
I got it. You're gonna need a size 7 socket. That way you could take out
7mm.
That way you could remove the ground
What else?
from your fucking hood focal shit, and
What's that?
and the other side connects to the fucking shit.
Okay, this is not a good video.
So where does it go? It goes right here. Where this hole's at. So oh no, it goes right here. Right there. So what I did, might as well just replace the whole liner. There's these little claps, little clamps, whatever, little circle shits. Where the circle's at. And then there's a little hinge right here that you gotta get it with the flathead in between, that we could pull it out. Now you're gonna rip your liner. Bro, this is hella fragile. What the hell? Shit, what the fuck? How does this bitch even go? I don't think. Figure this shit out. I'll put this shit like that for now. I'll get back when I finish this.
When's the last time you did it?
Last night.
Hey, you know this is scratch.
How's it scratch?
I'll show you the deepest scratch it has.
So that's the new cow hood. He's not a good explainer. That's the old nasty one that he plastic dipped. I know. Ghetto. Here's the new one. Here's how he's gonna drive around because he's gonna get tired. He's not gonna put the new hood back. But it's okay because he got a new one. Alright. Bye.
Alright, you guys, so it's already daytime. I already got the cow hood installed. I just want to show you guys how it looks. That's how it looks already installed. That's how the sunroof looks with it. I forgot where it had left off, but I'll show you guys basically what's up right now. But yeah, that's that 2-inch cow hood right there. This guy, he thinks he's fast. All right, so let me explain guys what I did. So I took off the hood and I swapped the insulation from here where these holes are at, there's these circle clips. You could just take them out, and then right here on this side and on that side there's gonna be another clip that you got to remove. You also got to remove your spring, and you just swap it over. It wasn't hard. I had trouble trying to remove the factory spring from the old, I had trouble trying to remove the spring from the old hood, and I didn't feel like trying to watch a YouTube video on it, so I just, you know, took it out. What else? See? There you go, like those clips right there. There's the spring. You also got to remove that. It's a size 7 millimeter socket. There's gonna be 2 of them. You gotta remove that, and then the bolts that go right there, I believe they were a size 13 or a size 14. So I still got a hold of my hood for it could open. I had ordered the brand new hinges, the hinges through eBay. They said that they were supposedly gonna get here today, and the reason why I installed the hood yesterday instead of today was because to install the hinges, as you guys can see, is just that bolt right there on the firewall, and then that one right there. And you just take them off. And also, you guys, I think it's the spring, because when I try to put the spring, when I try to take it off, I had like bent it and shit. So I don't know why, but like, see, like it won't close. I gotta kind of like push that shit hard. I mean, it is hitting the clip. Look, I gotta like, you know, I gotta push that shit hard. And anyways, I'm gonna figure all that shit out. Look, this gap right here is cool. It's clean. But if you come over here, oh wait, no, I don't know. I think this one was the good one right here, and then yeah, this is the bad one. I don't know. Maybe I gotta like try to like I'm gonna once I have those hinges already installed, I'm gonna tweak with it. The reason why I need the hinges is because it was hard for me to install the hood, because I needed someone else to hold the hood for me. So once I have those hinges installed, it's basically like a one-person job. But yeah, that's how the COWL hood looks. Like I had mentioned in, like I said in the video, there's that scratch. If you can focus, there's that scratch right there. See, and it's, I don't know how that happened, bro. But if anybody could, if anybody knows how to fix that, can y'all comment down below? There's also a scratch right there. This one right here, and I think a little tiny one right there. See where else? That's about it. I know I did this yesterday because these you can't really see it, but tiny scratches. I did that because I had the hood against the fence right there. Also, the only thing that I don't like about it is this shit right here, bro. It came like that from shipping already. That shit came like that from shipping, and it came like that with that big ass scratch and the little tiny dent right there. But you know, like whatever, you know, I mean, I don't care, you know. I would honestly rather have those scratches than have this shit dented, because every time you guys order a COWL hood from online, they always come dented, bro. Like, no cap. Well, not always, you know, but like a majority of them they come dented or they come like dinged and shit, you know. So I was luckily one of those few people who got to order one online and it didn't come fucked up, besides the scratches, but you know, we'll try to get that fixed soon. Alright guys, that's it for this video. This was Mama Lano BS. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I am soon gonna have the truck painted. I'm also debating whether if I should buy the SS2 wing now, or if I should buy the SS2 wing and get the corners molded the same day I'm gonna take the truck to go get painted. So alright, that's it. Thanks again. Peace out.
Y en una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como en mi estilo.